Okay, this is a Chevalier CNC flatbed lathe, model FCL 32160, serial number X594CC01. It's new in 2005. It has an Analam 4200 T control. It has a 24-inch 3-drawer chuck. Machine has a turret, tailstock, which is hydraulic, steady rest, roller tight, a 6-inch through hole spindle. You have an enclosure here, and Sean's gonna run her for you. By the way, the machine has hand wheels too.
Shift to low.
He's shifting the low gear.
That's 40 RPM. That's the bottom of the
Bottom of the low gear, 40 RPM. By the way, it's hardened in ground bedways, as you see here. That's your 8-position bed turret. That's your tailstock. That is your steady rest roller type. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. .65 RPM in the low range.
That's 90 RPM. That's
120 RPM. Okay, top of the low range. We're going to stop it. We're going to shift it to the. We're going to the medium range. We heard it shift, and
RPM.
140. Great.
That's the top of the middle range.
Top of the middle range, which is 260 RPM. Okay.
Shift. High
Shifting
range.
again to the high range.
That's
290. Okay. No, that's good enough. Let's jog the. Put it back in the lower medium range. Let's jog the axes around. That's the Z. The X. Indexing the turret. Okay. Yeah, let me just move back so I can see. Move the hand wheels to show that. He's moving the hand wheels. He can operate in manual mode. You can see he's moving the x-axis and he's moving the z-axis. And again, I'm going to show that on the screen. Go ahead and move the hand wheels. Yeah. That's the x, and that's the x, and now the z, and that's the z.
So you can show the tail stop.
Okay. He's hydraulically moving the tailstock in and out with the button. Okay, and then just do me a favor, shut the doors to show that the door's shut. That's a full enclosure, 32 by 160. Last thing, let's show the electrical cabinet. Oh, by the way, that's a chip conveyor. And that is your electrical cabinet. Your spindle drive, your axis drive, and your control. That's your back of the machine. I'll walk back around. Thank you for watching the video.